Hello friends, how is everyone? This is Umesh welcoming you once more to Indian Everywhere. This blog is for the citizens of Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Qatar, Kuwait, Oman and UAE. So if you are a citizen of these countries, you can get a UK visa waiver. For that, we need to fill a simple form, and let's go to the laptop and I will show you step by step how to do that. So friends, finally we are on this website. Don't worry, I will share a link of this website in the description box. So if you are a citizen of Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, you are eligible for this waiver, visa waiver. So let's start now. We'll click here, apply now. So this is the electronics visa waiver. It is for tourism, business study and medical treatment. You can go through all this. So, but I know everything. So I will click on start now. So I will, if you are a citizen of whichever country, you can select, I will select Saudi and I will click continue. At this box, your passport number, passport issue date here, expiry date here, where your passport is been issued, what is your birth of country, and next you will click to continue. Once you click the continue, you will come to this place, check your passport number against your passport. So yes, my passport number is correct. I will click here. Once you click that, you will come to this page where you need to upload your passport. So your passport should look like this. Click on choose and we'll upload the passport and we'll click on continue. Here it is there. Is your passport image clear? I will say yes. My image is clear. You will upload your passport. I am not uploading the passport because this is not for me. So I will click continue. You will write your surname and your given name and you will click on continue. Once you click continue, here again you will come, check your name against your passport. You will check your name and if it is correct, you will click here, my name is correct. So now you come your personal details. What is your gender? You mention here, you are male or female. What is your date of birth? You will enter your date of birth. For example, I will enter one for you, 1990, like this. Where you are born, you will enter example Riyadh. Have you ever known by a different name? If it is yes or no, for me it is, I will click no and will click continue. Here it is saying check your date of birth against your passport. If it is correct, yes, it is correct. Do you currently have any other nationalities? If you have yes, you place yes. I will click, for example, no. Any other nationalities in the past? If yes, yes. If not, no. I will click and will click continue. How you will travel there? For example, if you're traveling by train, private plane, by boat, by road, or anything, just select for me by plane, continue. At this column, we need to put your flight details. For example, your flight number, I will put, for example, EK009 and I will click on continue. Which date you will be traveling? So you need to put example 22 and we will click to continue. So I just purposely click this one to let you know that you can apply before 3 months only. Suppose you are traveling within 3 months, then you should apply this one. If you are traveling after 3 months, you should wait until. So I will change here up to 10. It will take it. See, I will click continue. It took it. So it is here showing me flight details. It is EK Dubai Airport. This date, time, and all these are showing. If this is correct, we'll click here yes and we'll click to continue. What is the main reason of your visit? You can choose anything you like. I will choose tourism for the sake of the example. Are you traveling to the UK with anyone else? If yes, yes. If not, no. I will click to no and I will click continue. So here in this place, you have to put the address where you are going to stay. This is very simple. If you are staying with your friends or family, you can put their address. If you are not staying with your family or friends, you can go to any website, for example, booking.com, and make one booking and you can put your details here. So after putting the hotel details will come down. So here it is, do you have your travel details of your departure from the UK? If it is yes, you will click yes and you will fill all the details, which date you are going, you are departing, and the flight number. If it is no, we'll click no, or we can click here 3 to 6 months, less than 1 month, whatever. I will click 3 to 6 months. So here it is, do you have a plan to make more than one trip to the UK during the last 3 months? If it is yes, you can place yes. If it is no, you can place no. and you can click to continue. Putting the hotel address and everything, here it comes your contact details. So once you come to this page, here we need to put the details of your home country. Suppose I am applying from Saudi Arabia, I will type it here Saudi Arabia and the address of my Saudi, and here we will put our phone numbers, your email address. We'll type, you will confirm our email address again here. Here they are saying send a copy to another email. If you want to send the confirmation on another email, you can click here, confirm the email. After putting the email address here is, are you employed? Yes or no. If I select yes, you need to write the name of the company and your job title. If you are no, you click no and you click to continue. Here comes applying for someone else. You just click yes or no. I am applying for myself. I will click no and I will click to continue. See, this is the place where you will see all the details what you have entered. Suppose if you want to make any changes, you can click here edit, and you can make the changes, country, anything you like to change. You can edit from here. If you think everything is correct, you don't need to change anything. You will just go to continue. So here, once you click continue, here is the declaration. Once you click here, I understand, and you click continue. So this there is a payment of 30 pound. So you just need to give all your information here and you will click continue. After you are done with this one, you will receive an email. On your email, the confirmation, I will show you one sample confirmation now to you. So friends, this is an confirmation. So you can see here electronic visa waiver, and this is the confirmation number. If you scroll down, you can see your name here, and below is the passport number, and here you can see the nationality, and here it is the date of birth. So this is one sample confirmation for you. So friends, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful for you. If it was helpful for you, please do subscribe to my channel. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye. See you soon.